Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn order of adjectives. Last day we were discussing what is an adjective and its different types. We saw 7 different types of adjective and its examples. Today we will learn how to write these adjectives in the correct order. The order of adjective means the order in which we place adjectives when we have more than one adjective to describe a noun. When we are going to use a number of different adjectives to describe a noun, it is important to be able to put the adjectives in the correct order. The reason for this is that when we place a number of adjectives in the wrong order, numerous adjectives can sound misplaced, uneven, and somewhat unmelodious. When more than one adjective comes before a noun, the adjectives are normally in a particular order. Adjectives which describe opinions or attitudes, for an example, amazing, usually come first before more neutral or factual ones. For example, she was wearing an amusing red coat. That is the correct usage. It is not red amusing coat. That is a wrong usage. Here are some examples for the correct order of adjective. It was made of a strange green metallic material. It's a long, narrow plastic brush. Panettone's is round Italian bread like Christmas cake. A big fat dog. An interesting old Indian rug. A stripped silk shirt. Some comfortable black sleeping bags. The highlighted parts are adjectives which we are using to describe the nouns in that particular sentence. As you can see, we use 3 or 4 more adjectives to describe our nouns. It must follow an order. So dear students, this is the correct order of adjectives. We will write the number first. After that, it will follow the quality or our opinion about that particular noun. Pretty woman or lovely flowers. That pretty or lovely is the adjectives which I use to describe the noun. First it will come a number, then quality or opinion, then the size of that noun, its color, its shape, its age, its nationality or origin, and what material it's made of, and the purpose. So this is the correct order of adjectives. When we write lot of adjectives to describe our noun, we should keep this particular order. These are the rules to use adjectives in a correct order. When there are 2 or more adjectives that are from the same group, the word and is placed between the 2 adjectives. For an example, the horse is green and red. Both are from the same category, color. Second example, the library has old and new books. Old and new is from the same category, age. So in such a situation, we will use the word and write it. The next rule is when there are 3 or more adjectives from the same adjective group or category, place a comma between each of the coordinate adjectives. For example, we live in the big green, white and red house at the end of the street. That green, white and red, 3 of them are coming from the same group, color. So we placed one comma and we used the word and to speak about that coordinative adjectives. And dear students, you should also remember a comma is not placed between an adjective and the noun. See some examples here. A small red suitcase. The new blue silk t-shirt. An ugly wooden chair. You can see what is the type of this particular adjective, whether it is an opinion, size, shape, age, color or whatever it is. Look into these examples. A wonderful old Italian clock. bracket, you can see the type of these adjectives. The wonderful is my opinion, old is the age, and Italian is the origin of that particular noun, clock. Now see the second example. A disgusting pink plastic ornament. The first adjective, disgusting, is my opinion. The second, pink, is the color, and plastic is the material. The third example, some slim new French trousers. Slim is the size, new is the age, French is the origin of the noun trousers. So this is the way that we write adjectives in the correct order. Now please look into these additional exercises. Choose the best answer for each sentences. The house is large and white, white and large, large white. The correct answer is option A, large and white. The second question, they live in a dash house, large and white, white and large, large white. The answer is large white house. In these examples, which sentence used the correct order of adjectives? We took a ride on a blue old Chinese bus. We took a ride on a Chinese old blue bus. We took a ride on an old blue Chinese bus. The last one is the correct usage. So you can see the difference in all three sentences. The correct usage is the third one. Like this, there are some more exercises for you. Try to find out the answers and write that into your copy. Thank you.